Summer means fun, and we spell that J-E-E-P. That's right. The new 2024 Jeep Gladiator Sport S 4x4. That's right. This is high velocity. We've got Old Glory there. We've got V6 power underneath the hood. Also an 8-speed auto transmission. That means 22 miles per gallon highway. We got 17-inch painted alloy wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Duelers. Gladiator badging. We go inside. Premium cloth for both and all the way around up front. We do have our traditional e-brake, shifter, 4-wheel drive controls, our connectivity, 12 volts of power, window controls, and also the climate and controls here for over 12 inches of screen on our new Uconnect. Yes, Alexa and Google capable. Also, we do have a traditional gauge cluster and digital driver information station, leather wrapped steering wheel, removable black top to go topless at the beach, on elsewhere, wherever you want to go. Big, huge floor mats throughout. Also, we do have our cup holders here and window controls, and of course some rear air. Also, we do have a soft top to cover your removable tops. Now, it's a Gladiator, which means she does have a tailgate, and she's also ready for a trailer with a hitch. We got some tie downs here, LED lighting, and we have all your accessories and OEM add-ons that won't void your warranty. Just get with us here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Weslaco, Texas on this new 2024 Jeep Gladiator S Sport 4x4. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres regardless.